How to get stickers on Monopoly Go. So for that, the easiest way is that you click on the win section on the left hand side corner at the bottom, and over here complete the daily task. And also if you complete the weekly task, then you will be getting lots of stickers like this one or this one or this one, a pack of 4, 6 and 6 better ones. So this is one of the easiest way, and the other ways are that you can click on these deals and you will be able to get these stickers, purchase them basically. So there are various deals out here. There's this sunny deals also. If you purchase this one, you will get packs for free, and also the packs over here. So there are basically different deals you can complete and get these stickers. And also there's one more way, which is that if you have double the amount of a particular sticker, or your friend has it, then you can simply click on that particular album and just click on that particular sticker, which is twice in number, and send one of the sticker to your friend, or you can also receive it from your friend if your friend has 2 of them. And this is how you get stickers on Monopoly Go. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.